Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Porsche Cayenne 6-cylinder, but a platinum edition. So beautiful black metallic paint. I'll start in the trunk here where you'll see that it's got the cargo cover, which slides away easily and can fold up or down or back. You can see that it's got the ski boot there and child seat safety holders, I should say. And down here you've got tie-down hooks, and 4 of them are there. So that's cool. Under here is the brand new spare tire, never been used, which is all good news. The wheel lock is there. Everything's good. Up here we've got a power tailgate, and you also have a power lock button that you can lock the vehicle if you're walking away at the same time. So it goes down just beautifully. Nice dual exhaust out the back. Great spoiler on it that's all color keyed to the nice silver there that goes around the windows. It's a nice looking spoiler. Rear wiper washer, of course, and defroster. And in the back seat, you are in the lap of luxury. It is beautiful. So you've got a recliner here that folds down your seat if you'd like, and then put that back up, and it also reclines the seat. So you'll see that the one seat is further back than the other. It's got a fold down armrest in here, and it also has the little ski boot hole in there as well. So beautiful how the seat belt hides away out of the way so it's not in an obtrusive fashion there. And have a look here, it's got power heated seats and power door locks for the rear, as well as your own air conditioning. Isn't that awesome? Of course, it's got the Bose sound system and a nice cup holder in the door. Pretty awesome. Beautiful brushed aluminum padding, or pardon me, this molding along the door rather than wood grain, which is really awesome, along with the platinum rocker cover insignia right there. So definitely it's the platinum. It's got the upgraded seats, which have the fold out side here. You see how that folds out to support your legs, so that's pretty awesome. So it's the 12-way power seat rather than just a 6-way. The seat headrests have Porsche insignia in them, which is awesome. And then it's got the panoramic roof in it, so the ginormous roof. Love the keys on a Porsche. They look like a nice little car. Beautiful. Have a look in the door frame there. It's a beautiful car, one owner. Here are the books right there. So lots of reading to do, and just beautiful. Again, the passenger seat has the memory package, so you've got a 3-position memory seating setup. Awesome. In the back, of course, you also have the window blinds. So beauty. Look at that from that side. That's a great look, isn't it? So here's your front rim, no curb rash, no issues, nice painted rotors, painted calipers, beautiful Michelin tires. Let me show you this back rim here, of course, because it has brand new brakes on the back, rotors, pads, everything. They're Zimmermann OEMs, and I love the gold Porsche emblems on this vehicle. They're awesome. We'll go around to the front here and we'll show you that it's got the 3.6 liter V6, 300 horsepower direct fuel injection engine. Pushes this car around just beautifully. A really nice little toy. You're not going to win the race, but you'll certainly get there in a hurry, and with comfort and a little bit of fuel left over behind. Beautiful gold Porsche emblem again. Beautiful. And I love the silver and black on the grille as well. It's got the LED lights, the fog lights, all of that. Up on your driver's front rim, no curb rash, no issues, nice Michelin tire, gold emblems, painted calipers, red painted calipers and painted rotors. Just beautiful. And we'll just zip over here to the last one. Same thing. Awesome. Great condition. Again, in the back seat, you've got reclining seats and fold down seats, and lots of room with heated seats in the back. And again, look at that fabulous panoramic roof. That is huge. On the driver's door here, we've got driver memory package, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, power tailgate. So power tailgate, power window locks, power windows, power folding mirrors, all the stuff. And again, the 12-way power seat for the driver, just beautiful. So this one also has keyless go, so you don't need to have the key, put the key in the ignition. It's got one in there already, so we'll just fire it up. It comes with the dash clock right up there, which is awesome. And navigation, and all the toys. Down here then, I'm going to just click that so that we can see the navigation. Dual zone automatic air conditioning, so you can see it there. and then your defroster, heated rear window, your temperature controls here, fan controls here, automatic temperature controls here, heated seats, cooled seats, and then of course your on-off road system here, and sport button, as well as traction control off, and you can turn off that annoying start-stop. That really saves fuel. There is your factory navigation right there, and navigation also appears on the dash up there as well. So the kilometers on this one, 82,291. Just a beautiful thing to drive. And then the controls for the sunroof are all up here, along with your sunshade and your parking sensors off, etc. So all the goodies right here. Fabulous little car to drive. Underneath here you have your auxiliary plug and your USB and a power port down there as well. So over there you've got dual cup holders and plug-in, and these are your hold-on handles. It's got power, tilt, and telescopic, so that's a power button there instead of manual, so it's right under there. It's got a heated steering wheel, so that's underneath the steering wheel as well. Little button on and off that I'm turning on and off. And great cockpit. You've got automatic headlamps, and then of course you've got your fog lamps as well. So beautiful vehicle, fabulous sporty design, again with the brushed aluminum rather than wood grain. And I'll just show you that on when we go to tuner, you're going to see that you have satellite radio available. Okay, 3-month satellite radio comes free with the vehicle when you take delivery of it. You can sign up and get 3 months free. So there you have it, folks. Wow, awesome inside, just a beauty. Let's go up to the front and see those headlights in action. So I've got the fog lights on, the LEDs on, and the big HIDs as well. So everything working, looking fabulous. Grab that from that vantage point. Wow, look at that, gorgeous. And from the back with the dual exhaust, looks really cool, doesn't it? So I forgot to show you, there's probably a couple little stone chips on the hood, as always. There's 2 right there. Nothing major, just stuff happens when you're driving down the road. There is nothing else to disclaim on this vehicle. It is just in fabulous condition. So there you have it, a 2014 Porsche Cayenne V6, but a Platinum Edition. Nav, panoramic roof, XM satellite, 12-way power seats, power tilt and telescopic. It's got the clock in the dash, as well as the upgraded interior and that beautiful brushed aluminum on the outside. So there you have it, again, 82,000 kilometers here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.